In this video, we're going to show you how to install the marker light on your Jeep Wrangler located in the driver's side and passenger side front fender. Now up underneath the back side of the fender, you're going to see a wire harness right here, and then there's a 3/8 nut on the bottom here. Now on the electrical connector, you're going to go to the back side of it here, and you're going to twist it counterclockwise and pop it out. It's a keyed socket. Now we're going to use a 3/8 socket on our ratchet. Now we did spray this down with some rust penetrant. I know it's on plastic, but it does help the nut come off easier. Now as you remove that there, you're going to push out the bottom of that marker light and then pull it out from the top. Now taking your new marker light here, there are 2 tabs on the top that fit up and into the fender. So you're going to feed that up and in. Push the bottom in. Take your nut, get that started on the plastic stud. Then you just gently want to snug this down. Once that's bottomed out and snug, you can now take your light, feed that in. And then twist it clockwise and lock it into place. There you go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.